In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to link Notion and GitHub. Notion's integration with GitHub allows you to seamlessly connect your development workflows. So in order to link your Notion account with GitHub, the first step is to go to the settings and members panel. So just log in on your Notion account and select settings and members. So select. Then you will see an options which is written my connection. So just click my connections, click on my connections, and you will find, just click see all, just look for a see all button so that you can find GitHub. After clicking on see all, you will see all the list of connections which you can connect directly to your Notion account. So look for GitHub, you'll see GitHub, just click connect. Then after clicking connect, just select authorize integration Notion. Authorize integration to Notion, just click there. And then just click this button. By following these steps, you can integrate Notion with GitHub to streamline your project management and development workflows. So that's how you can link your GitHub with Notion. It's very easy. It just takes a few minutes to complete. Thank you.